Hi everyone, welcome to our lesson 72. My name is Professor Robert, and in this lesson we will find the restrictions on the values of a given variable. Okay, now let's get into it. Now let's suppose you're given an equation, 7b divided by b plus 6 is equal to 2 divided by b minus 1. And you're supposed to find the value for b. Now, in this case, what we have to keep in mind is that the denominator position of every fraction must never be equal to 0. The denominator must never equal to 0. Because if it is a 0, anything divided by 0 will always give you a very, very big infinite number, a number we can't determine the value of. Therefore, in this case, b must not equal to minus 6. Because if b is equal to minus 6, then b plus 6 will give us 0. And neither should b be equal to 1, because if b is equal to 1, then on the right hand side of our equation, b minus 1 would give us 0, and any number divided by 0 will always give us a big number that we can't define. So it will give us an infinity value, which symbolically is always represented by a lying 8. All right. Okay, now let's try second example 2. Let's suppose you're given 5 divided by a plus 5 is equal to 3a divided by a minus 2. Clearly here, as we said, the denominator must not equal to 0. And so, on the left-hand side of our expression, a must never equal to minus 5, because otherwise that denominator will equal to 0. And in this case, a must not equal to 2, because 2 minus 2 will give us 0. And so these become the restrictions we have on our second equation. All right? Okay, if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and please subscribe for more algebra made simple. And see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.